Hey guys, today I'm here to check out Caesarstone's new experience center right here at Suntec City.
If you are coming to visit, the nearest MRT station is Promenade. Drop and exit C and just walk straight into Suntec City. If you are driving or dropping off, make sure you stop in between Tower 3 and Tower 4. Take the escalator up to level 2, then up again to level 3. Walk straight up and pass by St. Paul's, and there you are at Unit 03357, Caesarstone.
Caesarstone, being the leading manufacturer of premium quality quartz, has the new experience center, and this is where you can feel, touch, and know more about their products.
Leading manufacturer of high-quality quartz surfaces, Caesarstone has introduced 7 new designs. With the new 2018 Supernatural collection, it combines beauty of nature with superlative performance of Caesarstone quartz. For added peace of mind, all Caesarstone quartz comes with a comprehensive 10 years limited warranty applicable to our products. Once your surface has been installed, simply complete your warranty registration online to schedule your cleaning demonstrations with us and receive a complimentary Caesarstone cleaning kit. So what are you waiting for? To find out more, come down to the Caesarstone Experience Center now.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.